Hello lovely friends, I'm so excited today to bring you an unboxing of a very special gift. This gift was made by the amazing Michelle from Royal River Art. If you haven't come across her already, she is one of the most amazing artists that I know. Such a dear friend and just a beautiful person. Kim and I are both doing unboxings today from Michelle, so be sure to check out her video. Painting has come all the way from Idaho, all the way to Cornwall, UK. And when it arrived, I got my scissors out. I'm so excited to see this piece. I know Michelle painted some gladioli and she gave me a bit of a sneak peek, and I'm just so curious to see what it looks like because I fell in love with it. As soon as I saw it, the colours were beautiful. She'd packed it so nicely. Look, she's got a little dragonfly that she'd stamped on the outside, and I just wanted to see it, and I was really frantically trying to open up. Of course you can't rush these things. And first of all, there was a beautiful little fridge magnet seahorse. Look how beautiful he is, really beautiful. And then she sent me one of her resin pieces, a beautiful blue and white flower. And I'm so curious to see how you do these, and I've got that on my sideboard in the living room in pride of place. It's just absolutely beautiful. So I opened up the rest of the package and I could see how she'd wrapped it so nicely, and there's a beautiful card inside. Can you see Royal River Art on it? And it said, "My dear friend, I hope you enjoy your painting. It's better in person. Thank you for all your loving support and friendship. You always inspire me. Love, Michelle." Really, really beautiful. So I've got that, my dear friend. Thank you so much. So I took off the tissue paper, and here is the reveal. Gladioli are one of my favourite flowers, and I was just so excited to see. I could see the colour through it, and I thought, oh my goodness, it's going to be even better in person. Really carefully, just using the scissors just to chop away the sides, because you don't want to get the scissors through the tissue paper and damage it. So then I was able to unwrap it and pull it out of its sleeve. And there's a lovely little message addressing it to Steve and myself for all our love and support and friendship. So that's really beautiful. Thank you so much. And I love her signature and how she's put it down the bottom on the right. And it's just so nice to see the colours and the shading. Really, really different in real life. It just doesn't do it justice on camera. When I looked at the painting back, I thought, oh my goodness, is that the same painting? Because you know what it's like. If you love it on camera, you're going to absolutely love it in person. So please go across to her channel and give her some love and support and check out her paintings. She's got so many on there that are just so beautiful and creative. So I was marvelling at it and wondering where to put it. And I was looking at those beautiful colours in the background and thinking, this is going to really go somewhere nicely in my lounge. And I put it on the sideboard, leaning against the back, just to compare the colour before I mount it. And it goes so beautifully. You see the blue in there and the green. Well, look how it feels, and look how it contrasts to the wall it's going to go on. Look at that colour, it just blends in so well. Thank you so much, dear Michelle. I will treasure this piece. You're a wonderful friend. Thank you to all my subscribers, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. Please do go across and see Michelle's work. You will be so happy you did. I hope to see you in the next video. And now over to Kim, who is also doing a unboxing of a snow scene from Michelle. I'm so excited to see what it looks like and how Kim unwrapped it.